pretty kitty. Hi. Did you have a good night? Yeah, did you? Did you have a good night? That's a good girl. And go let the chickens out? Huh? Alright, let's do this. Kitty, kitty. Have to go let the chickens out? Okay. Hey, good morning, Moo. Good morning, Opal. And go play outside? Let them out first. I'm coming. There you go. There you go, babies. Hey, Moo. Good morning. Hi. Hey, Opal. Good morning. That's the good chickens. And let your friends out? You see your friends? Okay, I'll go let your friends out. Oops. I hear you in there, Mr. Frankie. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Frankie, baby. That's a good boy. Guys, ready to go play outside with your friends? Okay. There's Mr. Frankie. There he is. Hi, Gibbs. Doing the little rooster dance? Good morning. Kids. Go feed the pigs. That's the good chickens. Let's get them some scratch. You guys want some scratch? There you go. That's the good girls. There you go. Get you a little more. There you go. Oh my. Be nice. Share your scratch. Let's go a little for the new chickens. There you go, babies. There you go, Moo. Go, Opal. Not eating the scratch today? Okay. Go let the pigs up. Close up the scratch buckets. Mr. Moo. Alright, let's go check on them pigs. Hi, Gabs. Go check on them pigs? Where'd go? Crazy kitty. Pigs ain't even up yet. Hi, Gabs. Pig, 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 pig. Here they come. Yeah, pig, 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 pig. Good morning. Careful, don't touch the wires, sweetie. Hey, Sausage. You doing okay? Huh, baby girl? That's a good sausage. Yeah? Are you being nice? Hey, Bakey. It's bacon and sausage. Or more affectionately known as Saucy and Bakey. Getting a drink? There you go. That's good, pig. That's good pigs. That's good pigs. You ready for breakfast? Huh? Ready for breakfast? Huh, Saucy? That's good, babies. Now get your food. Piggy piggies. That's good, pigs. Are you hungry? Okay, that's enough. Hey, Gabs. Gabby kitty. All right, you gotta stay out here, Gabs. You can't go in with the pigs. It's too dangerous. Be careful now, I got sandals on today. You are such a pig. Yeah, big old pig. Saucy. Bacon bits. Bacon bits. Saucy, get out of the food sauce. Yeah. That's it. Already dumped it out, see? Baby. You're too cute for a meat pig, you know that? You guys are too cute for meat pigs. Here you go, Sauce. Alright. Quit trying to get my feet. Huh? Careful, baby. That's it, Sauce. Let me quit trying to get my feet. You're just a cutie, you know that? Huh? Alright. Sauce. No, pay. Quit that. Alright, look out. I said look out now. You got me all snotty. Are you guys nuts? Huh? You guys nuts? That's good pigs. That's good pigs. That's good pigs. My bakey. Alright, go eat your breakfast. Quit rooting a hole in the doorway. There you go, pigs. And some water in your wallow? Huh? I'll go get you the water hose. Hey, pigs. Pig, 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 pig. I got the water hose. Who wants a drink? Oh, turn it down a little. No, you don't need a drink today? Well, thank goodness it's not 100 degrees today, huh? Been so hot lately, the pig's been drinking out of the hose like a dog. There you go, pigs. That's a good pigs. There you go. I'll check you later. There you go, pigs. Crazy babies. All right, be careful. Don't touch the wire, okay? That's good pigs. I gotta go feed the bunnies. That's good pigs. That's good chickens. That's a good Gabby kitty. All right, check on them bunnies. Good morning, sun. Good morning, bunnies. How's it going in there? There we go. Get you some fresh air and sunlight. Hey, Mr. McFeely. How's it going in there? Got grass in your water. Hey, buddy. I thought good morning. Do I smell like pig? I've been petting them pigs, huh? Huh, Mr. McFeely. Been petting them pigs. Aw. Don't be jealous, little sweetheart. Don't be jealous. All right. I'll get you guys some sticks here in a second. Let me check everyone else, okay? And then I'll get you some sticks. Good morning, Beebs. Good morning. All right. Got a little one in there. Beavers. That's good, Beebs. Yes. She's very good, Mama. Yes. Very good, Mama Beebs. Right. Yes. Little babies. They like chewing on me when I try to pet them. Beebs. There's some chewers, Beebs. They're not nice like you. I mean, they are nice, but looks like you need a little bit of water. And they have started drinking out of the water bottles that I hung for them, the babies. Yes. Yes. Beavers. All right, I'll get you guys some treats. Hang on. Make sure everybody's got water. You got water in there, Midnight? All right. Let's get you some pets. Hey there, little fella. Hi. Hey, Midnight. Good morning, sweetheart. That's a good girl, aren't you? That's a good girl, man. Yes. That's a good girl. Yes. Little Benny wanted some pets too. Oh, it's a good baby. He wanted some pets too, Midnight. Yes. All right. Go get you guys some breakfast. And of course, they have access to fresh hay and feed pellets 24/7. There's a water bowl for the moms. There's a water bottle for the babies if they have trouble reaching the bowl. Hey, little fella. And they eat apple tree branches. That's a good boy. And sometimes bits from the grapevine. Let's see. Greenstock planter's doing okay. This is the ruby red. Iceberg and the rest. Okay. Check out the clematis today. Ooh-wee. That is just gorgeous. Some failed attempt to farmer's market plants. Oh yeah, look at this. Very nice. It's pretty dry. I'm gonna have to water that. Let's get the bunnies some branches first from the old broken apple tree. So during all of our blizzards and ice storms and stuff over the winter, this apple tree right here took some damage. And it's gonna end up dying anyway, so I've been kind of stealing branches off of it for the rabbits. That's where we laid Grayson to rest, under this apple tree. Alright, come back in here. I got a sweet spot in the woods here. There we go. And I just break a branch off. And break another branch off. Oops. And maybe one more. Okay. Let's take these branches out to the rabbits. They love nibbling on these. I got your sticks. Yes. You guys love sticks, don't you? Yes. All right. Just take one of those. Break it into smaller pieces. Oops. Make a little jungle in there for you. There you go. I like that. Hey, Gabs, come to help with the bunnies. They are ready for their apple sticks. Yes. Break it up into smaller pieces. There we go. All right, Beebs. You're so ready, you're about to jump out of your fur, aren't you? You just can't wait. There we go. Oops. They're eating just like their mama. You eating in there? That's a good job. Hey, baby, you're supposed to be eating leaves over there. You look just like your mama. I think that's the runt. That's the runt. You can see the runt's doing fine. It's getting around just fine. Hey, runt. It's crazy and does not like to be held. There's that brown one I've been eyeballing. Hey, brown one. I really hope you're a boy. I want to keep that one. I have to wait and see, though. It has to be a boy for me to keep it. Hi, Gabs. You trying to eat apple tree branches, too? That's good, girl. How about we give those to Midnight, huh? Can I give that to Midnight? Thank you. There you go. It's just in your way anywho, huh? I'm coming, Midnight. I didn't forget you. Break this up into smaller pieces. Okay. Hi, Gabs. There you go. That's the best place for you to go, out the window. There you go. There's a little brown one in there eating. With the Midnight. What are you doing, Gabs? Hey, come out of there. Crazy kitty. Back there eating. Hi. Hi, Gabs. Gabby kitty. That's a good girl. No, you leave them bunnies alone. No, you leave them alone. They're eating their breakfast. You're not gonna let me see the little fella eating in there? Okay. That's good, babies. Where'd that crazy kitty go? That's a good boy, McFeely. I'll take it later. That's good, babies. Alright, I do have to go water that salad garden. It's chirpy in there because there's some baby birds living in there too. I guess it's just a baby shed. I don't know.